Welcome to Adorable Corner, where sensible reigns. It is our promise to keep you informed and entertained with all that makes sense. Do subscribe to this channel and like our videos always.
Filling out forms on a web page with JAWS. HTML forms allow you to access shopping carts, search engines, web-based email, and more. Forms include controls such as edit boxes, check boxes, radio buttons, combo boxes, and other controls like those found in dialog boxes. We've already talked about JAWS Navigation Quick Key commands that allow you to move quickly from one control to another. So now, let's fill out a form. I'm here on the Surf's Up homepage and will press Insert F7 to display a list of links, then F Foxtrot to navigate to the link for the Forms page, and Enter to activate it.
Links list dialog. Links list view. Skip to navigation. 1 of 27. F. Forms. Enter. Using Forms with JAWS Google Chrome. Using Forms with JAWS Google Chrome. Using Forms with JAWS. Page has 2 regions, 17 headings and 13 links.
I'll press Insert F7 again, then W, Whiskey, to navigate to the link for the WebTrack sample form.
Links list dialog. Links list view. Surf's Up. 1 of 13. W. WebTrack sample form.
I will enter to activate this link.
Enter. The WebTrack sample call tracking system Google Chrome. Submit button. Page has 1 heading and no links.
I'll press Insert F5 to list all form controls on the page.
Select a form field dialog. List 1 list view. First name. This is a required field. Edit. 1 of 25.
I'll press down arrow to move through a couple of these.
Middle edit. Last name. This is a required field. Edit.
I could press Enter on any of these choices to navigate directly to that field, but I'll press Escape instead and move around the form using keyboard commands.
Escape. WebTrack sample form.
I'm going to press Control Home to make sure focus is at the top of the form, and then I'll navigate to the first field by pressing Tab. By default, Forms mode will automatically activate when focus is in this field.
The WebTrack sample call tracking system. First name. This is a required field. Edit.
You will hear a pop sound when Forms mode is turned on and off. The first sound is higher in pitch than the second, so the 2 actions are distinguishable. Forms mode is what tells JAWS you want to enter information rather than using the letters and numbers as navigation quick keys. For instance, if you want to type the letter H, hotel, in an edit box, but Forms mode isn't activated, JAWS will treat that keystroke as the navigation quick key for moving by headings. Once Forms mode is on, pressing the letter H will type that letter into the edit box. You can press Tab to move through each form control. I'll go ahead and type my first name, then press Tab to navigate through a couple of these fields and fill them out.
L-I-Z. Middle edit. Middle initial. E. Last name. This is a required field. Edit. W-A-I-T-A-K-E-R. Area code edit.
This begins a series of auto advance edit boxes where, as you type in the first 3 digits of the area code, focus automatically switches to the next field. You may encounter such auto advance fields in the real world, so this is a great place to practice with them. I'll type in 3 digits for the area code.
727. Prefix edit.
As soon as I typed the last 7, focus automatically switched to the next control, the prefix edit box. I'll type in 803.
803. Number edit.
Focus automatically moved to the number edit box, where I'll type in the remaining number.
8000. Email address star edit. This is a required field.
Focus moved forward to the email address edit box. I'll type in my email address and press Tab.
EWHITAKER@VIPERO.com. The WebTrack sample call tracking system Google Chrome. Mailing address button.
Notice that when focus reaches a button, Forms mode turns off. This is because as you are navigating through a form, buttons can be activated without going into Forms mode. If you need to activate a button, just press spacebar when focus is on the button. I will continue to press Tab to move forward in the form.
Billing address button. Account information. Order number edit 357. Account number edit 2468.
You will interact with different form fields in different ways. For example, I'll press Tab to move through the next control, which is a checkbox, and press spacebar to check it.
Ordered products. JAWS registered sign checkbox not checked. Space checked.
I'll press C, Charlie, to navigate to a combo box, and press Enter to open it.
Action taken combo box. Hardware issue. Enter. Current call. Action taken combo box. Hardware issue.
I'll press down arrow to make a different selection.
Software issue.
I'll press Tab to move to the next control. Pay attention to what JAWS says here.
Notes edit. Contains text.
Did you hear the announcement that this field contains text? When a multi-line edit box contains text, JAWS tells you so you are aware that there is text already here, which you can read and edit if needed. Now let us look at the list of form controls in JAWS. I will press Insert F5.
Select a form field dialog. List 1 list view. First name. This is a required field. Edit Liz. 1 of 25.
I'm going to press down arrow to review the items here in the list of form controls for JAWS. This is a great feature because it puts all the form controls and contents within them into one easily navigated vertical list. For someone with low vision who is using ZoomText screen magnification or Fusion, a combination of JAWS and ZoomText, this is helpful because it puts everything in one central location, making it easier to proof with vision. It's easy to get lost when pressing Tab and Shift-Tab to move through a form and see if you have filled out everything correctly. Here, you can press up or down arrow to move through this vertical list and see if everything is filled out correctly. I'll press down arrow.
Middle edit E. Last name. This is a required field. Edit Whitaker. Area code edit 727. Prefix edit 803. Number edit 8000. Email address star@edit@vispero.com. Mailing address button. Billing address button. Account information order number edit 357.
Okay, I see an error here. The order number in this edit box is from the last order that I worked on. I need to change this, so all I need to do is press Enter to move to that spot in the form. I'll do that now.
Enter. Account information. Order number edit 357. Order number edit 357.
The order number I need to reference is 1001, so I'll type that now.
1001.
This has been a demonstration on filling out forms on the web with JAWS.
Thank you for your precious time watching and listening. We value your comment on our videos. For questions and concerns, please call +234 806160 9134 or send a mail to emmanueljunaidh@gmail.com. EMMANUELJUNAIDH@gmail.com. Catch you on the next video. Cheers.